Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to evaluate and simplify expressions with exponents. Now, this is very easy. It's not so complicated right now because everything that we have here is either negative numbers and zeros as our exponents. Now, something that I like to do all the time is I like to circle anything that has a negative number or a negative number as an exponent or a zero. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to circle this one and I'm going to circle that one. We know that z to the power of 0, that's just 1, so this stays as 1. I am not going to worry about that z. It's not very important. And we know that if an exponent is negative, we have to do the reciprocal of that in order to make that exponent positive. In other words, just move it to the denominator. If it's on the top, move it to the bottom. If it's on the bottom, move it to the top. So I will end up with 2 squared. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. X to the power of 3, I don't have to do anything with that because 3 is positive, so I'm going to write it next to this. And because this is negative, I'm going to move it to the bottom to make it positive. Once I move it to the bottom, that exponent becomes positive, and this is my final answer. If you think you can do all these problems now, I'm going to ask that you stop the video and solve them, and I'm going to give you the answers right now. Okay, hopefully you paused the video. And here we go. So as I told you, make sure that you circle anything that has an exponent raised to the power of 0 or a negative exponent. Well, in these two, they're going to cancel each other out. Well, not cancel each other out, but they will get simplified to 1. And I know that if I'm multiplying by 1, it doesn't really matter. It's just whatever I have. And then because this is negative and I need to turn it into a positive, I'm going to move it to the top. So I'm left with x squared times z to the power of 7. And that is my final answer. And then on this one, let me do number 2. Number 2, circle everything that is raised to the power of a negative number. That will be this, that will be this, that will be this. So if it's on the top, move it to the bottom. To use correct mathematical language. If it's on the numerator, move it to the denominator. If it's on the numerator, move it to the denominator. Okay? I think I had some technical issues there, but it's okay. Okay, so that will leave me with v to the power of 5 because it's m to the power of negative 3 is on the bottom. I move it to the top, so that is m to the power of 3 over 6 to the power of 1 and w to the second power. And is there anything that I can simplify here? Not really. So that will be my answer. Lastly, in this one, we have 3 to the power of negative 3. That's the only thing that I need to move. I will move it to the denominator. I'm going to move it down. So if there is nothing on the top, I'm going to put a 1. And then I'm left with 3 to the power of 3 times 5 to the second power. Well, that is just 1 over 27 times 25. I am not going to do this multiplication. It's a big number. I'm going to leave you that for homework. And I don't know what number that is. You can do that yourself. Great. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. It doesn't hurt you. It definitely doesn't hurt me. Also, if you would like me to cover a certain topic, please comment below and I will try to make a video for that specific topic. You guys have a great day.